Hello everyone, my name is Bondi. I'm so glad here to introduce the U3 speed, the micro SD card in my hand. In front of me, there is three models, including the 256GB and 128GB and 6 and 4GB. They are all made by the U3 speed, so we will test the speed. So we will start at 64 GB. The software to test the speed of MicroSD card. Can say writing speed for around 39 MB per second. And the write speed for 60 MB per second. So the test is finished for the 64 GB. You can see the average for writing speed 38.9 MB per second, and the reading speed for 61.6 MB per second. So next one I will test the 128 GB. Use the same software. And the transferring space for 1 GB for testing. So let's check the average writing speed for 33 MB per second and reading speed for 61 MB per second. So next step, we will test the 256 GB for speed. Because it's V25.2 MB per second, reading speed for 61.6 MB per second. Consider average 25 MB and the reading speed for 61. Because we just use this laptop for testing, because I think the configuration influence the testing, I think. So just testing just for reference. If you have any question, please leave us a comment on this video. Thank you for watching, and